Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning numbers, basic numbers from 1 to 10 and 1000 or hundreds, and we're going to compare them in different languages so you can get the idea.
Bir, ikki, uch, to'rt, besh, olti, yetti, sakkiz, to'qqiz, o'n. Nol, yuz, ming, milliard, son or raqam. So as you might have noticed, some of the words have double letters, so KK or TT or QQ. Now it's easy to pronounce them if you don't force yourself. So it's not like ikke, it's ikke. It's not to'qqiz, it's to'qqiz. So yeah, you wait for a split second before continuing with the letters. Now we continue to double digit numbers. So yigirma, o'ttiz, qirq, ellik, oltmish, yetmish, sakson, to'qson. So we have the same thing here. It's o'ttiz, it's ellik, we stop for a split second. So just like English, if you want to continue counting, like you want to say 21, you just say yigirma bir. If you want to say 22, you say yigirma ikke, and up to 9. So yigirma bir, yigirma ikke, yigirma uch, yigirma to'rt, and you just say all the way to 30, and then it just goes on, just like English. If you want to say 10.1, you say 10.1. Nuqta means point or a full stop. And comma is virgul. The numbers are from Proto-Turkic and Chaghatay. Chaghatay is like Proto-Uzbek, but a bit old. And Chaghatay comes from the Karluk branch, or Karluk. And Karluk comes from Common Turkic. So let's get into some of the numbers and how they change throughout history. So the first one is olta. In Chaghatay it was alta. The next one is to'qqiz. It comes from the Turkic word dokuz and tokur. On Bulgarian, interestingly, it was one, and in Chuash it was wunna. The next one is null. We all know null from nullus, Latin, meaning zero and nothing. Ming, it's the same in Turkish and Persian. So it's really interesting because Persian and Turkic are not always on the same line, so Ming. The next one is qirq. It is unknown, but there's a similar word in Uzbek which is qirqmaq, to mean cut. The next one is ellik. It comes from the word elik from the Proto-Turkic, also meaning hands, similar to ilik, which means bone marrow. And in Bulgar it means ilik or ilu, and Allah in Chuash. Now here's an amazing chart I made, which is basically Uzbek, Turkish, Azeri, Tajik, and Persian, all in the same place, counting from 1 to 10, 100, and 1000. So as you can see, Uzbek, Turkish, Azeri are almost exactly the same, except some letters like change. So Turkish, for example, is not ikke but ike, and to'rt becomes dört, and olta becomes alta, yette becomes yedi, sakkiz becomes sekiz, to'qqiz becomes dokuz, and so on. Tajik and Persian, however, are similar with each other and not Turkic because they're from a different branch. So yak, yek, du, do, se, chor, chahar, panj, shash, shesh. So you can see they're similar, like literally the same, except Persian has hezar for 1000 and ming for Tajik, because Tajik was heavily influenced by Turkic and Chaghatay languages, so it is understandable. There's something I also noticed in Azeri, which is they didn't remove some of the stopping ones. So yette is yedde, sakkiz is sekkiz, to'qqiz is dokuz, but in Turkish it's yedde, dokuz,
So before the video ends, I highly suggest you write them down. And I say this all the time, go to translate and put them into sentences and see how different they are. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.